Hey guys, my name is Kareem from Mafra, and today I'm going to be talking about the LaboCosmetica line, the PERFECTA, which is our quick detailer, and our Cupido, which is our nano sealant. At first I'm going to start talking about PERFECTA by itself. Here we have a beautiful Mustang. As you can see, the surface, it's been out in the rain, so you've got water spots. What's nice about PERFECTA, it's a quick detailer, very easy to use. You're at your car show and you want to give it a good shine. It's got a really nice deep gloss, and I'm going to demonstrate right now how to apply it. LaboCosmetica now has their own line of microfiber cloths. This is the one I'm going to be using. It's a polishing cloth, pretty thin. It's not like one of the thick ones for buffing. So what you're going to do is you're going to just spray, just a few sprays is enough, just on the surface area. So you want to wipe in straight motions, evenly across the surface, and again with the other side that's dry, just to get rid of any residue. And voila, you've got a beautiful shining paint surface, very deep gloss. Looks gorgeous. So with PERFECTA, you're looking at around 2 months to keep the gloss onto the surface paint. We're well ahead of the game in terms of competitors. Next, we're going to show you how to apply PERFECTA and Cupido together to give you that final seal.